Hello everyone. Today shall discuss exercise 15.1 question number 2. The following line graph shows the yearly sales figures for a manufacturing company. What were the sales in 2002, in 2006? What were the sales in 2003, in 2005? Compare the difference between the sales in 2002 and 2006. In which year was there the greatest difference between the sales as compared to its previous year? Here you see this is the graph. In 2002 it is 4 sales in rupees, that is 4 crore. In 2003 it is 6 plus 1 7 crores. In 2004 it is 6 crore, and in 2005 it is 10 crores, and in 2006 it is 8 crores, right? Let us find. Now question number 1. Question number 1 here you see is question number 1 is what were the sales in 2002? In 2002 the sale is 4 rupees 4 crore, right? We can say that in 2002 the sales were rupees 4 crores. In 2002 in 2002 in 2002 the sales were rupees 4 crores. Here I say 4 rupees 4 crores. This is question number 1. Question number 2 is in 2006. Question number 2 is in 2006. In 2006 the sales were 2006 means this one 2006. Here you see this is 8 crores, right? In 2006 the sales were rupees 6 crores, rupees 8 crores. Here you see 2006 this is 8, therefore rupees 8 crores. In 2006 sales were 8 crores. Now question number B. Question number B was what were the sales in 2003? In 2003 the sales were rupees, this is 2003, this is 7 crore, right? In 2003 the sales were 7 crores, were rupees 7 crores. In 2005 this is B1, this is question number 2. Question number 2, what are the sales in 2005? You see this is 2005, this one is 10 crores. In 2005 the sales were rupees, in 2005 it is 10 crores, right? Now question number C. Compute the difference between the sales in 2002 and 2006. In 2002 and 2006. In 2002 the sales were 4 crores. The sales were 4 crores. And in 2006, the sales were 8 crores. The sales were 8 crores. Sales were 8 crores. Therefore, difference between the sales, therefore difference difference between the sales difference between the sales in 2002, difference between the sales in 2002 and 2006 is equal to 8 minus 4 crore, that is equal to 4 crores. That is equal to 4 crores. Therefore, the difference is 4 crores in between the sales of 2002 and 2006. Now, we shall compute in which year was the greatest difference between the sales as compared to its previous year. Let us find difference between the sales of the year 2000. Let us now find the difference between the sales, right? Now we solve question number D. Question number D is now question number D. This is question number D. In which year was the greatest difference between the sales as compared to its previous year? Let us find difference between difference between the sales, difference between the sales, difference between the sales of 2002 and 2003, of 2003 and 2003 in 2003 and 2002 and 2002. To find the difference between the sales of 2003 and 2002. In 2000 it is 4, in 2003 it is 7. 3 7 minus 4, that is equal to 7 minus 4 crore. 7 minus 4 crore, that is equal to 3 crores. 3 crores. Now difference between the year 2003 and 2004. Difference between the year 2003 and 2004. Difference between the sales of 2004 and 2003 and 2003. In 2004, the sale was 6 crore and in 2003 it is 7 crore. There is 7 minus 6, that is 1 crore, right? There is 7 minus 1, that is 7, minus 1 crore, that is equal to 6 crore. Now difference between the sales, difference between the sales of 2005 and 2004, 2005 and 2004, 2005 and 2004. In 2005, the sale was 10 crore, and in 2004, the sale was 6 crore. That is 10 minus 6 crore. That is equal to 10 minus 6. 10 minus 6 crore. That is equal to rupees 4 crore. 4 crore. The difference between the sales of 2006 and 2005. The sale in 2006 was 8. In 2005 it is 10, right? Between the 2006 and 2005, here you see the sales in 2006 is 8 crore, and in 2005 it is 10 crore. The difference is 10 minus 8. 8 crore. 10 minus 8 crore. That is equal to 2 crore, rupees 2 crore. 2 crore. Right? Now the question was, in which year was the greatest difference between the sales as compared to its previous year? Therefore, we find that this is the greatest, that is 6 crore. That is the difference between the sales of 2004 and 2003. The difference between the sales of 2004 and 2003. 2004, in 2004 it is 6 crore, and in 2003 it is 7 crore. That is 7 minus 6. In 2004 it is 6 crore, and in 2003 it is 7 crore. That is 7 minus 6. In 2004 it is 6 crore, and 2003 it is 7 crore. This is 7 minus 6, 1 crore. This is not 6, but it will be 1 crore. This is not right. Let us find. In 2004, here in 2004 it is 6 crore, that is 6, minus in 2003 it is 7, 2004 it is 6, and 2003 it is 7, so 7 minus 6 crore. This is 1 crore. Then we can write 7 minus 6, write 7 minus 6, 7 minus 6 crore, that is equal to rupees 1 crore. 1 crore. Therefore, we find from this chart that the difference is maximum in 2005 as compared to its 2004. It is 4 crore, right? It is 4, it is 1, it is 3, and it is 2. Therefore, the maximum Hence the difference was the maximum. Hence the difference was the maximum. Hence the difference. Hence the difference. Hence the difference was the greatest, or maximum was the greatest. Was the greatest. The difference was the greatest in the year of. In the year. In the year. In the year 2005 as compared to 2004 is the difference of the greatest in the year of 2005 as compared to as compared to 2004 as compared to 2004, and the difference is and the difference is and the difference the difference is and the difference is 4 crore, which is maximum. If it is 4 crores, 4 crores, that is maximum in other years. In 2003 and 2002, it is difference of 3 crores. In 2004 and 2003, there is a difference of 1 crore. The difference between the sales 2005 and 2004, it is 4 crore. And the difference between 2006 and 2005, it is 2 crore. Then the maximum is in 4 crore, that is in the year 2005 and 2004. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.